today I'm doing blindfolded drawing. Yes, blindfolded drawing. Blindfolded drawing. Yep. Okay, so here's my paper. So here we go. You guys are also going to be surprised, so you're going to only see me blindfolded, and I'm going to be drawing, and you don't get to see. You guys are going to be surprised too. You guys. Okay, let's put on my blindfold. It's my jacket, so okay, so here I go. First thing I'm gonna draw is going to be thinking maybe a water bottle. Yeah, water bottle. Why not? So probably like the drumsticks. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna start with the bottom of the water bottle. We're gonna do like this. I just need to see. Okay. So we get to draw the bottom of it. Okay, so we're gonna draw a cat. Hoping this is too. So there's where it connects. Here's the label of it. We'll just say it's Aquafina. Aquafina, okay. Let's just draw over here where it's like the little lines are. Okay, I think we're done. Here's my water bottle. I'll let you guys see first. It might be horrible. Okay, so I get to see what I created. Wow, that was not bad. Oh wait, I forgot something. For the cap, okay. No idea what I drew. Okay, I just made it worse. I had the label Aquafina. That was pretty good. I made it bigger than I wanted it to be. If I did this to it, that would have been awesome, but okay. Okay, next drawing. I feel like we're going to do 4 drawings when we do this. Okay. So, next drawing is going to be... a toilet. No, okay, I'm just kidding. That was a little bit gross. Ooh, this might be good to be saying. I'm a plunger. Oh my gosh, that's good. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Okay, plunger. Again, you guys get to see it first. I don't know if that's... Let's reveal that plunger is horrible. Oh my gosh. I thought that would work. No, that didn't work at all. Okay, well, next, I'm gonna draw a self-portrait of me without this thing on. because that will make me look stupid. Okay, here you go. So, here's my face. Here's my hair. Here's one eye. There's the other eye. There's the mouth. I'm gonna kind of be like, so, like that. Make a little tongue. Teeth. Yeah, let's make some eyebrows. Like, eyebrows. Okay. My self-portrait. Here you guys, look. This looks horrible, I can already tell. Okay, here's the reveal. I look beautiful. This? No, what is this? This, what? These. That. What is that? Look at this. No, I mean like... No. I will not. What should I draw next? A camera. Well, my iPod, basically. Okay, so here's the screen. Start off with the black screen. Let's color that in. Doesn't have to be fully colored in, like so good. That should be good. I'm gonna make kind of like... Okay, so there. Here's my home button. Here's like a little camera thing.
Hi. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm making a video.
Oh.
Yeah. I forgot where I left off. Oh, yeah. We need like, and here's the back. I'll make the back of it. Oh, that's my little thing. I feel like that's good. You guys saw the front and back of it. I'm not excited to see this at all. Here we go. That was not as bad as I expected. No, not at all. Okay, that's my iPod, aka my camera. I use that to film. That's what you guys are on right now. Yeah. Okay, one more. Yeah. One more. We should draw peanut butter. I'm just kidding. We're gonna draw. I really have no idea what I'm gonna draw. I draw on a water bottle, plunger, self-portrait, and a camera. Soto Concepts. Logo. Okay. So I'm actually just gonna make little outlines, but got it. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, here's the S. Here's the L. Here's the D. Here's the E. Here's the L. Here's the concepts. Okay. Food. Okay. I'm gonna to show this to you. That little concept sign. Make sure you go check out. They're good food. It has good food. Check out their straps. Okay. Okay. Time to reveal. What my heart says. So now, that is a miracle. Concepts. Beautiful, simple food. I'll take this off. Jeez. Soda Concepts logo. I will give this out. Okay. See. Okay, I'm sending this by my YouTube name. G Girl Gamer. Okay. Signed by me. Supergirl Gamer. That's a beautiful masterpiece right there. I will send this out to my friend. YouTube. YouTube channel name. Okay. Let's fold this up. We need to make this beautiful. We need to make this beautiful. Okay. There we go. It's folded. We need to fold it more. More folding. Yes, the folding. Keep folding. It's like you keep folding, you never stop. Okay, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. 3 things gotta do. And Supergirl Gamer out. Peace.